If you've ever wished you could reply to emails or leave notes in HubSpot at lightning speed with consistency, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage snippets in HubSpot, those handy little shortcuts that let you insert pre-written text with just a couple keystrokes. By the end of this video, you'll not only be saving tons of time, but you'll also be keeping your communication crisp, professional, and error-free. Let's jump straight into how it's done. First, we need to access the place in HubSpot where snippets live. Start by searching for snippets inside HubSpot's search bar. You can usually find the search bar right at the top. Just type in snippets, and you should see the snippets tool pop up in the results. It's kind of like finding a shortcut to your shortcuts. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it might take a moment or you might need the right permissions. Just double check you're in the right spot or ask your admin for access if needed. Once you're in the snippets section, look for the Create Snippet button in the upper right corner. This is your starting point for building a brand new snippet, so go ahead and click it. I know sometimes these buttons can feel a little tucked away, but once you spot it, it's smooth sailing. Now you'll see a few fields. The first one is the internal name field. Here where you'll enter a name for your snippet, but remember this name is just for you and anyone else on your team managing snippets. Give it something clear and specific like initial follow-up or meeting scheduling reply. That way, months from now, you'll know exactly what this snippet relates to, making management super simple. Next is the fun part, composing the body of your snippet in the rich text editor. This editor gives you the same kind of formatting powers you'd have in a regular email or document. You can adjust the font, add bold or italics for emphasis, drop in hyperlinks, and maybe most powerfully add personalization tokens. Think of personalization tokens as little placeholders like first name that automatically fill in with your contact's info when you use the snippet. To add them, just click the Personalize dropdown and select what fits best. It's a bit like magic, letting you tailor your messages so they feel personal, even though you're working faster than ever. Once your text is ready, you'll want to set up a unique shortcut in the shortcut field. This is what you'll actually type, like greeting or schedule, to insert the snippet instantly. Make sure your shortcut isn't something you'll type by accident, so stick to uncommon phrases or use a hashtag out front. Think of it like designing your own secret code that only you and your teammates know. The more specific, the better, because you don't want snippets appearing where they don't belong. With everything filled out, the last step is easy. Click Save Snippet. HubSpot will tuck away your new snippet ready for use. Don't worry if this takes a moment. Sometimes new information needs a quick second to save to the cloud. And that's it. You've just created a snippet and you're ready to speed up your workflow. You can repeat this process to build out a whole library of your most used phrases, responses, and notes, creating real consistency across your team. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips on managing your snippets or personalizing them further, drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe for more easy, actionable tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.